Okay, hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about sex education in schools and colleges. Why the government introduces sex education in school and colleges? What is the importance of sex education who are entering to the schools and colleges, especially for after or at the time of adolescent stage? At the time of adolescent stage, especially for male and female, a lot of changes occurs in their body, internally and externally. Somebody fear about that changes. That means lot of changes occurs in hormonal secretions is started in their body, and a lot of physical and external and sexual reproductive organs and secondary sexual character. Lot of changes occurs in at the time of especially in adolescent stage. Now we are discussing about what is the importance, why we have to introduce sex education in schools and colleges. What is the importance? In right now also some schools and some colleges thought that this sex education is, they thought that sin. It is not a sin. Okay, it is a natural process. Need to learn, need to know something. Awareness is important. Okay, somebody thought that what it is a cause of, for example, in some religion accepts, and some places there are not accept to introduce what these sex education in schools, but that is not correct. Why? Because they need to learn what is sexual reproductive organ, what are the changes occurs in their body, how we control the birth rate, okay, mortality rate, especially what is the importance of nutrition, how we have to take what hygienic conditions when we are in adolescent stage, what type of precautions we have to take, especially when we are in adolescent stage. That means they are not discussed directly with their parents. That means this sex education gives lot of awareness to the children. So that sex education is very, very important. The birth control methods, the population is what? Enormously it is increasing. So that compulsory birth control method, they need to learn something about what sex education. It reduces the crime rate also. Okay. So that now we are going to discuss about what are the important points about the sex education in schools. What is the importance of sex education in schools? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Actually, government and non-governmental agencies have taken various steps to educate people on reproduction-related issues using audio and video, visuals, and print media. Okay, awareness is important. The government and non-government, especially some of the agencies, also started information. They're giving information about by audio and video. They are writing quotations on walls about sex education. Okay, that is also, it is improve the it create the awareness in people. It create the awareness in students and children. Okay, and introduction of sex education in schools will provide right information to the young on sex and other sex related information. Okay, it provides what information, right information about what, about young on sex and other sexual related issues. Okay, sex education gives what information. What type of information it gives? It gives what about sex and other sexual related issues, and also proper information about the reproductive organs, the development of reproductive organs, importance of nutrition, and in adolescent stage, which is called adolescent stage, especially as per WHO, World Health Organization, after what 10 years, okay, 10 to 18, between 18 19 years, that period is very important. That is, you can call adolescent stage. In that adolescent stage, lot of changes, puberty stage, and this lot of changes occurs in internal and external. The hormonal secretion occurs in their body. The lot of changes occurs in their body. So that most of the children are about them. These changes, they feel very feared about these changes. Okay, so that sex education is very important. These are natural things. Okay, so the sex education is what it gives awareness about what sex related changes. Okay, and here the proper information about the reproductive organs and adolescence and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices. That means sexual practices also. Hygienic means what we have to take at the stage of adolescence, what type of precautions. Okay, how to clean reproductive organs, what type of, especially menstrual cycle, what type of precautions we have to take at the time of menstrual cycle. That means the sex education what provides everything, these type of information. And about what sexual transmitted diseases. Yesterday we discussed about sexual transmitted STDs. What is the STDs? Sexual transmitted diseases like gonorrhea and syphilis and so many sexual transmitted diseases. About sexual transmitted disease also it gives the information like HIV and AIDS. What are the causes of HIV and AIDS? What type of precautions we have to take? Okay, sex education gives a lot of information to the children. Okay, so that sex education is very, very important. Okay, some more points we have to observe here. Adolescence age group is lead to reproductively healthy life. Okay, adolescence age group, this sex education who are in adolescence age group, it is useful to lead reproductively healthy life. Okay, it is useful to lead reproductively healthy life, people and children. Okay, birth control option. This is also very important. Why? Because sex education, importance of sex education, birth control options, contraceptive methods. The population is increasing enormously. In 2011 census as far, it is increasing enormously. So that what we have to do to decrease what population? We have to do only one solution. That is what? Birth control. What type of precautions we have to take at the stage of adolescent stage? A couple and who are newly married, they have to take some precautions to control the birth rate. Okay, so that this gives information about birth control options, care of pregnant mothers also. This is what, especially for maternal mortality rate is also more, MMR, maternal mortality rate, especially in India. Why? Because they are not taking any type of precautions, especially when they are pregnant. In pregnancy's time, need to take lot of precautions, especially need to take lot of nutrient food. At the time, they are not taking any type of what. So, who are poor people, who are lack of awareness, they are not taking any type of precautions. So that what will be happen? So many especially for MMR means who are in mortality, especially mothers are died at the time of pregnancy. Okay, and also post-anal care. What is the meaning of post-anal? Post-anal care means after birth also need to take. Okay, mother and newborn baby. Newborn will be also, especially need to take lot of care about nutrition, importance of mother feeding. Somebody they are giving what packet milk they are using for feeding, but it is not correct. What is the importance of mother feeding? How it is having nutrients? Everything gives this sex education gives awareness to them. And what importance of breastfeeding? Okay, here they given the breastfeeding. Okay, as colostrum. Okay, breastfeeding and giving equal preference to the male and female. Especially sex determination, it is a sin in India. Feticide, female feticide. Okay, its sex education gives importance of male and female. The ratios, it balances the ratios of male and females. Okay, this helps bringing healthy families. Healthy families and designed families, small families. Sex education helps healthy families and designed families. Okay, and also awareness should be created in society. This is awareness create in society. Okay, and problems caused by uncontrolled population and growth and social evils like sexual abuse, especially lack of sex education. What will happen in society? Sexual abuse, abused by what? Female, male, girls. Okay, it reduces sexual abuse and sex related crimes also. Why? Because it decrease sex related crimes. Means what? If they know this is sexual reproduction is a natural process, they didn't think about what crimes also reduce. Okay, so that sex related crimes also reduce by sex education. Okay, so that sex education is very important in schools and colleges. Please take down these points. Yeah.